A good day to everyone. Myself Vedant and this is my teammate Arjun. We are studying in grade 7 Excel Public School, Mysore.
India, there are hundreds of rich, vibrant, traditional games that were once an essential part of childhood. However, in today's digital age, many of these games are slowly fading away. Surrounded by screens, mobile apps, and virtual entertainment, children rarely experience the joy, learning, and cultural wisdom embedded in our indigenous games.
Led us to develop the Desi Khel Kit, a fun, accessible, ready to use solution designed to bring India's traditional games back into the hands of students.
During our initial research, we discovered that though India has a vast variety of indigenous games, their rules are often scattered or passed down orally. So we thought, what if all these games could be compiled into one simple and organized kit? A kit that includes both the materials needed and a clear, easy to understand rule book for students, teachers, and families. The Desi Khel Kit features a curated set of traditional games. Strategic games like Pallanguli, energetic games like Lagori, skill based games like Gilli Danda. Each game has been selected for its cultural value, physical benefits, and suitability for different age groups.
The most important part of the kit is the instruction manual. It explains each game step by step, provides variations for different age levels.
To develop this kit, we conducted primary research by speaking to teachers, sports coaches, and grandparents who grew up playing these games.
We also conducted secondary research, exploring government programs like the Fit India movement.
The Desi Khel Kit has a wide impact. Students discover traditional games that are fun, enriching, and physically engaging. Teachers receive ready to use resources for PE classes and activity periods. Families and communities reconnect through shared play. Most importantly, India's indigenous sports are revived, preserved, and celebrated.
Through this project, we learned that preserving culture does not always require complex technology. Sometimes simple ideas can create powerful change.
To conclude, the Desi Khel Kit combines cultural revival with physical fitness and joyful learning.